Imagine a world in which artificial intelligence does more than merely assist humans, it transforms every aspect of life. A future in which politics, technology, and economics come together to form an alliance so ambitious that it has the potential to permanently alter humanity's course. Welcome to the Stargate Project, a $500 billion effort that has brought together tech titans, global leaders, and industry visionaries around one daring goal: to build the most powerful AI platform ever imagined. This is a story that brings together unusual allies: Donald Trump, OpenAI's Sam Altman, and tech titans such as Oracle and SoftBank, for a high-stakes mission that promises to change global power dynamics. But, at what cost? What secrets are hidden beneath this endeavor? And how will it affect the future of civilization? Buckle up, for this is a journey to the core of the most significant technical venture of the 21st century. Stargate was conceived following the AI surge in the early 2020s. Governments and business institutions began to see AI not merely as a tool, but as a new kind of power, similar to nuclear weapons during the Cold War. It was no longer enough to create discrete AI systems. The future required a unified, scaled AI capable of learning, growing, and addressing humanity's most pressing concerns. During his second presidential campaign, Donald Trump said that artificial intelligence will be the new frontier of American greatness. While detractors regarded this as political posturing, Trump had a strategy that involves harnessing the power of American firms and friends to gain an unprecedented technological advantage. Behind the scenes, conversations with Oracle founder Larry Ellison and SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son began to take shape. The Trump administration envisioned a gigantic public-private partnership to support the building of the world's most advanced AI infrastructure, a project so large that it required cross-sector collaboration. Enter Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, which was already at the vanguard of AI development. Altman had spent years fighting for safe and ethical AI deployment, but Stargate provided an opportunity to expand his vision like never before. While originally reticent to include politics, Altman's ideology of developing AI for the welfare of humanity aligned with the project's objectives. At least on paper, Altman presented a daring idea. Instead of developing an AI system only for national security or economic benefit, Stargate could focus on solving existential concerns such as climate change, pandemic prevention, and even intergalactic travel. His pitch persuaded the other stakeholders that this wasn't simply a race for domination, but also for survival. Funding a project as grandiose as Stargate requires hundreds of billions of dollars. That's where SoftBank stepped in. SoftBank, which is known for its vision fund and aggressive investments in innovative technology, has committed an initial $200 billion to the initiative. Masayoshi Son referred to it as the moonshot of all moonshots. Oracle, with its sophisticated cloud infrastructure, contributed another $150 billion, establishing itself as the computing powerhouse behind Stargate. Ellison, a longtime proponent of AI, stated, "This isn't just technology, this is the next evolution of humanity." The remaining funds were raised through government grants, venture finance, and an IPO-style event that allowed ordinary investors to buy into Stargate, transforming it into a global sensation. Building the platform, Stargate's architecture was intended to be unlike anything the world has ever seen. It integrated the most recent advances in quantum computing, neural networks, and generative AI to produce a system capable of processing quadrillions of calculations per second. Key milestones include Quantum Leap. Stargate collaborated with quantum computing pioneers to accelerate machine learning by orders of magnitude. Stargate established the world's first global neural network by connecting data centers across continents, allowing it to pull real-time data from satellites, IoT devices, and even biological systems. Human integration. One of Stargate's more contentious features was its investigation into brain-computer connections, which allowed humans to communicate with AI at the cerebral level. Trump's role, as a politician, Trump's engagement with Stargate proved divisive. While his detractors said that the project was a thinly veiled ploy to centralize power, his admirers praised it as a visionary measure to ensure America's future. Trump made numerous appearances at Stargate events, promoting the project as a symbol of American creativity. His administration also enacted legislation to expedite AI research, direct military resources to Stargate, and establish international treaties governing AI development. While some saw these actions as vital, others were concerned about the consequences of a single nation, or project, holding so much influence: the global race. Stargate was not the only participant in the game. China created its own competitor effort, Red Horizon, while the European Union prioritized ethical AI initiatives. This resulted in a new type of arms race, in which nations competed not with missiles but with algorithms. Diplomatic tensions rose as concerns about AI supremacy grew. Will Stargate be a force for good in the world, or will it be used to further American dominance? Despite its grandiose aims, Stargate was heavily scrutinized. Privacy groups expressed concerns about the amount of data being collected, while ethicists questioned the morality of developing a machine capable of outperforming human intelligence. One of the most unsettling moments occurred when a leaked paper disclosed that Stargate's military applications included autonomous weaponry, raising concerns about an AI arms race that may spiral out of hand. Internal struggles. Even its creators disagreed. Altman repeatedly disagreed with Trump's advisors on the project's course, particularly its militarization. SoftBank's Masayoshi Son advocated for commercial applications to recoup expenditures, but Oracle's Larry Ellison remained focused on technological superiority. The Stargate project is more than just a $500 billion investment. It reflects humanity's highest dreams and worst anxieties. It represents both the peak of ingenuity and ambition, as well as the risks of unbridled authority. One thing is certain: as Donald Trump, Sam Altman, and their allies lead this unparalleled business, the world will never be the same. So, what's beyond the Stargate? Is AI shaping a utopia or ruling over a dystopia? The answer isn't simply in the hands of its inventors, it's in the decisions we make as we enter this bright new world.